Welcome. In this video, I'll walk you through how to unlike multiple carousels you've previously liked on the Instagram app for PC using the new update. If you've been scrolling through your feed and tapping like on several posts, but later decide you want to clean them up, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, start by opening the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're in, move to the bottom left corner of the screen. There, you'll see the More icon, which looks like 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that to open up the menu. Next, from the menu that appears, select the option called Your Activity. This is where Instagram keeps track of all the things you do on the platform, including your likes, comments, and interactions. Now, within the Your Activity section, look for the tab labeled Interactions. Click on it and then choose Likes. This will show you a full list of every post you've liked, including those carousels you want to undo. At the top right, you'll notice a Select option. Click it. And now you can begin choosing multiple carousels at once. Simply scroll through the list and click on all of the carousel posts you want to unlike. After you've made your selections, look towards the bottom of the screen for the Unlike button. Tap on it, and Instagram will ask for confirmation before making the change. Confirm your choice, and just like that, all the carousels you picked will be unliked at the same time. This new update makes it much easier to manage your activity on Instagram without having to go back and unlike posts one by one. Whether you liked something by accident or just want to declutter your activity, these steps will save you time and keep your account organized. And that's it. You've learned how to unlike multiple carousels you've liked on the Instagram app using your PC. Take a moment to try it out and keep your feed tailored exactly the way you want it.